to you with Gokuldas Public School online classes. Okay? Which school you are studying? Gokuldas Public School. Yes. In which school you are studying? Gokuldas. Slowly. Gokuldas. Very good. Public School. Yes. And in which class you are studying? Nursery class. Nursery class. Very good. Now, today is your EVS subject period. Which subject period today? EVS subject period. And we had already learned good habits, bad habits. है ना? इससे पहले वाले वीडियो में हमने गुड हैबिट, बैड हैबिट पढ़ा ना? और गुड हैबिट में हमने क्या सीखा? We eat always healthy food. Say no junk food, mama. If your mama saying, Prayan, today you eat noodles. So Prayan say, yes mama or no mama? No mama. No junk food. Okay? Say no mama. No junk food. Okay? So say no junk food. Don't eat kurkure. Don't eat chips and pizza, noodles. Okay? So don't eat this type of junk food. Okay? Eat healthy food. You eat healthy food, you make a strong. You become strong, healthy, beautiful. Okay? So eat always healthy food. And today we learn about fruits. Okay? We learn about fruits. You eat fruit now? You eat? Yes. So you learn about fruits. How many fruits? आपके घर मम्मा कितने सारे fruits लाते हैं? मम्मा, पापा, है ना? You know the name of the fruits? आपको सभी fruits के name पता है? Yes or no? Yes or no? Tell me. Okay. Today we learn about fruits. We learn the name of the fruits. Okay? आज हम fruits के name learn करेंगे. So let's start. Yes. Okay. Now you see here. Our first fruit is the big watermelon. Now you see here. First you see here in my tray how many fruits. Okay. See here. Many fruits in my tray. You eat? Yes? Okay. Our first fruit is, which fruit is this? हिंदी में इसे कहते हैं तरबूज. And English में इसे क्या कहते हैं? Watermelon. Watermelon. This is green outside and red inside. Red inside. It's very juicy fruit. Watermelon. Yes, this is a watermelon. You eat watermelon? You eat watermelon? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, see. Eat fast. Very tasty. Very tasty. Watermelon is very tasty. Yes, sweet watermelon. Say watermelon. Okay. Which fruit is this? Watermelon. Yummy. Very tasty. And our next fruit is banana. Hey. This is a banana. Banana. Yes. Say banana. Banana. Okay? Banana. You eat banana? First, take out your peels. These peels take out. Okay? इसको peels को निकालना पड़ेंगे ना इसके. And then eat banana. Very tasty. Sweet banana. Okay? Banana. This is two in color. Yellow and green also. This is banana. This is banana. say banana. Okay, banana. Banana means kela. Banana. Okay, and our next fruit is very tasty, juicy fruit. थोड़ा थोड़ा खट्टा और मीठा होता है ना. हाँ. Which fruit is this? Orange. Yes, this is orange. Orange. Which fruit is this? This is orange. Orange. Okay? Say orange. Orange. Very good. This is orange. And our next fruit? See. Which is our next fruit? I like it. Eee! Which fruit is this? Mango. I like mango. Mango is my favorite fruit. You eat mango? Yes. Very tasty. Very tasty. Yummy. This is mango. Say mango. Mango. Okay. Mango. Mango. Say mango. And which fruit is this? Which fruit is this? Pineapple. Yes. Pineapple. This is pineapple. This is pineapple. Say pineapple. Pineapple. All of you say pineapple. Pineapple. Okay. And next fruit. Ooh, red fruit. Apple. Yes. This is apple. 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 Okay, you like apple? Yes. Oh, apple is very tasty and very healthy also. Okay. So eat apple. Eat one apple every day. Keep a doctor away. है ना. हम अगर एक एप्पल खाते हैं ना रोज तो डॉक्टर हमारे पास कभी नहीं आते हैं, है ना. If you eat apple, you become healthy. You eat fruits, you become healthy. So this is apple. Apple. Okay, now our next fruit is. Oh, this one. Custard apple. Okay, custard apple. Okay, what is this? Custard apple. Custard apple. Okay, custard apple. Custard apple. Okay, say custard apple means sitafal. Okay, custard apple means sitafal. Okay, you eat custard apple. It has many sheets. है ना, इसके अंदर बहुत सारे sheets होते हैं. Black many sheets. We eat custard apple with spoon. Okay, this is custard apple. Custard apple. Custard apple. Okay, now our next fruit is. Oh, which fruit is this? This is a papaya. Papaya. This is a papaya. Papaya. Okay, papaya. Say papaya. Papaya. Okay, say papaya. This fruit is. What is the name of this fruit? इस fruit का नाम क्या है? Papaya. Who are you? You are papaya? Yes. Say yes. I am papaya. Papaya. Okay. And see, our next fruit is guava. Guava. Okay. Guava. Guava. Okay. Which fruit is this? This is a guava. Guava. Okay? Guava. Guava. This is a guava. And our next fruit is strawberry. Yes, this is a strawberry. This is a strawberry. Say strawberry. Students, repeat after me. Strawberry. Strawberry. Okay? Strawberry. Once again, we are revise all the names of the fruits. Now here my basket is empty. खाली हो गई है मेरी basket. हमने सारे fruits के नाम एक बार बोल लिए हैं. Now once again we revise all the name of these fruits. Okay? So one by one, repeat after me the name of these fruits. First, this is a apple. Apple. Say apple. And banana. 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 And mango. 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 Watermelon. 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 Strawberry. 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 Papaya. 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 Custard apple. Custard apple. Custard apple. Guava. 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 Orange. 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 Watermelon. 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 Okay. Okay, now we do one activity, okay? Okay. Our activity is color only fruits. Okay, हमें क्या करना है? We put color only fruits. Okay, no. We do one activity. We put the fruits in the basket. Okay, so you make a basket. Okay, here. We put the fruits in the basket. Oh. Okay. This is a basket. Okay, and here I make few fruits. Okay, now you see here. This is a watermelon. Okay, which fruit is this? Watermelon. Okay. Now, which fruit is this? This is a mango. Okay. And which fruit is this? This is a apple. Yes, this is a apple. And This is a strawberry. This is a strawberry. So we put this fruit in the fruit basket. What we do? We put this fruit in the fruit basket. How do we put? First you take your crayon color. Okay, crayon color आपको लेना है. फर्स्ट आपको इनमें कलर करना है. देन आपको क्या करना है? आपको ऐसे लाइन ड्रॉ कर इन फ्रूट्स को इस फ्रूट बास्केट के पास लेकर के आना है. ओके, सो वी पुट वन स्ट्रॉबेरी इन फ्रूट बास्केट. We put watermelon in fruit basket. We put mango in fruit basket. And we put apple in fruit basket. We put pineapple in fruit basket. Like this type you do this activity in your EVS notebook. Take a help of your mama. Make these fruits in this basket. And you do coloring. Okay, you color it in pineapple, apple, mango, watermelon and strawberry. Then you put a line like this type, draw a line like this type and put in this basket, fruit basket. This is a fruit basket. Put watermelon like this, put apple, put mango, put watermelon, pineapple, apple, mango, watermelon and strawberry. So like this type, this activity do in your EVS notebook. Okay, and tell the name of these fruits. Okay, tell the name of these fruits. Okay, I hope you learn the name of the fruits. Thank you so much. Take care.